welcome to my channel. I hope that you're having a great day. I have a design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I will link both of their online stores in the description box below, as well as the VIP Facebook group. It's a great group of a lot of talented ladies, and there are also a lot of fun giveaways. And my coupon code is Michelle10 for 10% off any regular price purchases, and they are offering free shipping on all of their items. What I have created are some notepad holders, and I do have a tutorial for this on my channel. I'll link it in the description box as well. So the first one that I have here, I use the Graphic 45 Cottage Life paper collection. It is a stunning paper collection. So I was trying to go through and use some papers, use some scraps, and maybe papers I really hadn't used yet. So I wanted to, get some use out of that. So just hoarding it up. I've made several of these notepad holders. I'm going to a crop, and I'm giving these to my table mates. Several of them I won't bore you with. I won't share all of them. I'll just share a few. So we have the front and the spine. I use the beautiful border strip, and then the back. I think it's just so pretty. And then you open it. So this is the first one, and the second one is Stamperia's Sea Dreams. And I did double mat it because I was using the 8x8, but I love the sea turtle. So pretty, just beautiful blues. And then a gorgeous well on the back. And you open it up to see, I can never think of what these are called, so I'm not even going to try. And in the tutorial, I had forgot to cover the top of the notepad, so if you follow the tutorial, make sure to cover your notepad. And it does come out. I made a pocket so you can remove it, and I figured that way you could get several uses. But I thought it would be a great gift or teacher's gift, especially with the end of the year. This is Stamperia. It is lilac flowers, I do believe. Just beautiful collection. Really soft, muted colors. And open it up to see the inside. So pretty. This collection, I cannot remember the name. It's a Mente. I'll try to add it to the screen here. Just beautiful beach collection. So pretty. Love the collaging and Mente, how they do. The beautiful floral paper. And I was using up scraps on this one, so that's why everything is very similar on the inside. And this is Mente's Lady Paper. Gorgeous collection. And like I said, I was scrap busting, so I was able to use up some scraps in a few collections. Just beautiful colors with the peach and green. And I think I just had a couple 12x12 sheets, so and some scraps, but it worked out really well. Just thought it was really pretty. And we have Mente City of Love. Just love the front of this. And the gate on the back. And just so pretty and soft. Loving that green in this collection. And I'll share one more. This is the Stamperia thread paper collection. Just so pretty if you have a seamstress in your life. Just so pretty. So these are my notepad holders. I would love to hear your comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.